Hello and welcome to a new one. I had this setup for a few months, and as you can see, I have a problem. So the monitor is not quite centered where I'm staying. The monitors should be to the right a little because I cannot focus, and this is not really straight in a straight line, and I need to change all of this. But I cannot do all that because I was missing this, which is a monitor stand for Sirius. Sirius, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is it. And also, you can see here I had one of the monitors standing on top of the wooden thingy, let's say, that I built. I also didn't had enough room for my Lego Spike to work on it, and that Mac should be out there besides the other Mac. But I decided, okay, it's time to do some PC upgrades, some desk upgrades, let's say, not really PC. And also you can see over here I haven't played in a long time. Let's see if I can focus. Damn. Okay, so we need to do some cleaning. We need to move all the monitors to the right. I need to get my PC from over here. You can see, I don't know if it will focus right out there. That PC needs some cleaning definitely because it gathered a lot of dust, and I need to clean my desk. I need a new desk mat. That will be solved in a new one because I didn't have the chance to order it. So let's see if I can move everything to the right. That PC should be over there. I know I'm not gonna be able to see that bright colors of the AMD stock cooler, but whatever. Let's move that to the right. Also, let's not forget this is Be Quiet, so it's not such loud, and I need to move that laptop in the laptop stand over there. Let's do some work over here and see how this goes. And we are back. Damn, look how clean this everything is right now. Of course, I need a bigger arm for my microphone, but I can just do it like this when I don't need it. Lego, of course, there to play with it. Headphones, charging cable for my phone. I still can't get rid of that. And I still need one charging cable for my keyboard and mouse from time to time. But look at this. I mean, you can clearly see this is a way bigger improvement since it was at the beginning. Cable management is I'm not really satisfied. I mean, I did my best, but there are still some cables. I put the charging cable for the Mac over here, which I can plug and play really easily because I from time to time like to take my Mac and work on something else and not stay at my desk. But I think the setup is pretty clean right now. I mean, what do you think? Drop a comment down below. So this is my triple monitor setup. One monitor. They are all connected to my PC via HDMI, DisplayPort, and HDMI. That one is connected to the second laptop, and that one is connected to the Mac over there. So hope you enjoyed this one. And you watched me sweat a lot. I mean, I need to take a shower. It was a long day of work, so see you in the next one. Bye.